Hi Year 8 and welcome back to the second lesson of What Did Nanak Teach? The learning objective is the same as last lesson and you'll be able to explain the meaning of Nanak's teachings and the relevance of today. What can you remember? Now for this task, you will need a piece of paper or you can use your whiteboard or your device. I would like you to use the pictures to help you remember some of Nanak's teachings. How hot can you go? Try and push yourselves and achieve all of the teachings. Once you're finished, attempt the master's question and explain one way Guru Nanak's teachings can help someone. Now remember, we are looking at what were Nanak's teachings. You have 3 questions which I would like you to answer in full sentences. There are sentence starters available for you to use. Once you're finished, you can attempt the master's question. So these 3 questions are: which teachings do you think is the most important? Question 2, which is the most important today? Question 3, why do you think is the most important? If you're finished, you can attempt your master's question and explain why might someone disagree with your response. Okay, for this task, you will need a piece of paper, a device, or your mini whiteboard. Can you unjumble Nanak's key teachings? Think about what he is trying to say. Once you have unjumbled them, I would like you to attempt the master's question and explain one quote, including a modern day example. The answers will be on the screen. Now, looking at the quote, what word do you think best summarizes Nanak's teachings? Great, it should be equality. Are these teachings relevant today? What issues are there in the world? Or what issues are there in Birmingham today? Now this leads on to your next task, okay? And this links back to your learning objective. So are Nanak's teachings relevant today? You are going to be using your imagination and you are going to imagine that you are a Sikh. You will be writing a letter to Mr. Brian about how Nanak's teachings could change things for the better in Birmingham. What you need to include is 10 lines minimum, what the issue or issues are, what problems they are causing, which of Nanak's teachings are relevant, how Nanak's teachings could be put into practice to solve this issue. Once you're finished, you can attempt the master's question. When you have finished your letter, can you upload the letter onto class charts? Okay, finally, are Nanak's teachings relevant today? We are going to follow the link and complete the aeroplane game based on today's learning. Thank you, Year 8, and enjoy.